healthy habits. We're going to be making green bean casserole. Our green bean casserole recipe is simple with only 3 steps. For this meal, all the ingredients we need are 1 can of green beans, 1 can of mushroom soup, and French fried onions. Let's get started. First, let's open all our ingredients and mix them together in a bowl. Now let's place our mix into a pan and bake our casserole. We're going to bake the casserole for 45 minutes at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow, doesn't that look amazing? Green bean casserole is a great meal and easy to make. We hope you enjoy the recipe.